I'm 15 years old and I am a Motswana. Singing is my passion, it's my talent, it's my hobby, it's what I love doing. I want to go to IMTA so I can reach my full potential, so I can be recognized internationally, so I can represent my country, and so that I can live my dream. Thank you. I'm singing Everybody Knows by John Legend. It gets harder every day, and I can't seem to shade the pain. I'm trying to find the words to say, please stay. It's written all over my face. I can't function the same when you're not here, screaming your name and no one's there. And I hope one day you see nobody has it easy. I still can't believe you found somebody new, and I wish you the best, I guess. 'Cause everybody knows that nobody really knows how to make it work or how to ease the hurt. We've heard it all before, that everybody knows just how to make it right. I wish we gave it one more try. One more try. One more try. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows. Oh, nobody really knows. Thank you.